morning. It's, what date is it? The 17th?
Yeah.
I think. Yeah. Yesterday was a write-off. I was literally in bed all day being sick. Just felt absolutely horrendous, but it's a new day, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. What are you having for breakfast?
Baked oats.
Baked oats. And what are you having on the top of them?
Marshmallow and chocolate chips.
Yummers. Foxy is causing carnage. Mr. Fox. No chasing. The Kit Kats don't like it. Here she comes, little fish. You okay? Got some jewellery on?
Yeah.
And you look cool. Come here, twirl. Ari's had her breakfast already. Ben's just putting some rubbish out. I'm not sure if I was sick just because like of something I ate, or if it was a bug, or if it was a side effect of having my booster. I don't know. My arm, if I do that, it feels a bit sore, but I've been able to sleep on it and it's not been anywhere near as bad as it was after my second dose. Ari doesn't like it when mummy's poorly and like she can't cuddle me. You don't like it, do you? Because you like cuddling your mummy, don't you?
Yeah.
She's had a really bad cough, but we've done a test on her and she is negative. Yay! But she does get a lot of coughs because she has asthma. So, yeah, we are so close to being ready for Christmas. I've sent Ben a list of things today, the last few little presents to get. Yeah, it's really foggy today. I don't know if you can see out the back, like, it's super foggy.
When is it the full moon?
The full moon, I think, is either tonight or tomorrow. I'll have to have a look on the calendar. Ask Google. Ask Google.
Okay, Google. When is the full moon?
Here's a summary from the website solarsystem.nasa.gov. The next full moon will be Saturday night, December 18th, 2020.
Tomorrow night.
At 11:36 p.m.
So tomorrow night is the full moon because she wants to charge her crystals and make moon water.
Okay, Google, stop.
I'm gonna have my first coffee since Wednesday. I hope it stays down. So, Bandit, what are you doing? Good Lord. Bandit keeps touching the screen on the Google thing. Put Gary down. Put him down.
What baby feet?
You walk next to Baby Pooper Pants.
Mommy, what baby feet pants?
Baby Pooper Pants is fine. What's your chickens doing?
Pecking bug.
Pecking bugs.
Dicey.
Bugs. Don't lick the window. No, stop. You are disgusting. Don't lick windows. You're a monster boy. Oh, you're so knackered. Changing the bed in. Since I had my heart operation, this stuff like this just, it is a proper workout. But I'm putting my Christmas bedding on. It's so nice. It's really soft, and I just absolutely love it. And I've got another fluffy, like the teddy bear sheet on the bottom. But our bed is a super king, and it's always been quite difficult changing the bed in. But yeah, since my heart up, I'm fucked. So I'm gonna get this on, and then me and the girls are gonna film the Ghoster Box together for something fun for them. Foxy's asleep on the sofa, so I will come back and talk to you in a bit. It's done. It's so pretty. I love this bedding so much. I'm excited now to go to sleep tonight. Okay, so the kids' lunches are ready. It looks a lot, but they don't ever eat it all. But I like to give them a nice big variety. So Mika's got ham sandwich, a few raspberries, a few strawberries, bit of cucumber, mushroom, which she loves, sugar snap peas, a sausage ball, some hummus to dunk, a breadstick and a yoghurt. Ari's got a bagel, some cucumber, raspberries, strawberries, bit of pepper, yoghurt, breadsticks and some pepperoni. And then Foxy has got cucumber, ham sandwich. He probably won't eat any of his ham sandwich, to be honest. Breadstick, some fruit, some pepperoni, a sausage ball and a breadstick. And I will show you what is left when they're done. Mika's just brought down her plate. This is all that is left, some hummus. Were you hungry, sausage?
Yeah.
That was a big lunch you've just ate, but that was a lot of vegetables, so it's okay. Good job. Yeah. Do you want a treat?
Yeah.
What are you having? Bandit! Go on then.
I can't remember. More pig. I get some.
You're getting some. So far he hasn't eaten any sandwich. He's just picked the ham out. Half of his breadstick dropped the other half on the floor, and then one of the cats got a piece of bread. So he hasn't eaten any bread, just the ham. He's eating a little bit of his cucumber, a bit of this, and his sausage ball. And now he's helping himself. Excuse me. Was that your bum? Whose bum was that?
That?
Whose bum was that?
That?
Yeah, you can have them. Whose bum was that?
Spicy.
They're not spicy.
Good.
Good. You want a Jaffa cake? Yeah? Come on then. You're going to try a Jaffa cake, are you? I see. You tell Mummy what you think of them? You have a bite. What do you reckon?
That sounds good.
Tastes good? What do you reckon? You like it or not? Nice?
Ta-da!
Ta-da! Do you like it or not? No, you want something different?
Oh no.
Oh no.
Wipe it on there.
I see. You're going to put the Jaffa cake on my camera? I see. Boop.
My repeat.
No, don't put it on my camera. No! Do you like it or not?
I'm gonna put it on.
You're not putting it on the camera. Do you like it? Eat it or no?
No.
Yes or no?
Oh no.
No?
My fix it.
Okay, you fix it. Binksy, calm down. Binksy's got the zoomies. Oh my god, Gary's underneath that box. How has he even put himself in there? What's happened? You just shut yourself under a box. Pew! I think Gary must have been underneath it and it fell on him. Did you get stuck, Gary? Everybody's got the zoomies. Bang! You are a little shit cat. Go away. Mummy's got to take that bit away now. Stupid cats. You drink it like a big boy. Yeah, go on then. No, don't do that. You've been drinking it like a big boy all afternoon. Drink it properly or Mummy take it away.
Drink it.
Yeah. Good?
Nice thing.
Nice dink. See,
Look that.
that is Ainsley Harriet cooking something.
cooking something.
Yeah. Nice drink.
Silly.
It's not fizzy, it's squash.
Mummy, try it.
Mmm, yummy.
Mummy, drink it.
Mummy's got her own drink.
Oops. Oops.
Oops.
Fall down.
Fall down. You're a funny boy. Did you just throw your jaffa cake? Show me what you left. Whoa, you ate all of yours as well. You're a hungry sausage. What are you having now? What are you having? Jaffa cakes. Foxy picked all the chocolate off his and then threw the rest of it on the floor.
Yeah.
No, the jelly's here. You want it?
I
You are gross. What are you doing?
Potato printing.
Potato printing. I'm trying to keep them occupied because I am trying to cook roast dinner. I've got a chicken in there. Just parboiled my potatoes. I've got my gravy going over here. And then making Yorkshire puddings. I'm going to make a cauliflower and broccoli cheese bake.
Oh, that sounds good.
I know, it sounds delicious. So I'm just trying to keep them occupied while I do this. So I thought potato printing is something fun and easy to do. And hopefully Foxy will like it as well. You having fun, Foxy? Awesome! Foxy, that's a lot of water on there. Too much. What did you just watch? Christmas Chronicles. How much did you love it?
So much.
What was your favourite? Was it the elves?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I went all crazy with the people.
Yeah. Thinks he's got his crazy eyes on.
1, 2.
Right, come on, it's bedtime.
Okay. Good night, Daddy.